My name is Chris O'Brien. I'm the president of RockTread, and today I'm going to speak about moisture suppression systems. Over the past several years, there have been many different moisture suppression systems on the market. Some are extremely high-priced, others low-priced. And the big question that gets asked all the time is, why is one so expensive and the other so cheap? And it really comes down to the marketing approach that each company takes with their products to deal with the liability of moisture issues on slab on grade mainly. Can happen on above grade, but mainly slab on grade. In front of me is a block where we have tested a leading brand against our Rock Block primer. After 120 days, when the test was complete, pull tests were done per ASTM D4541 to show how well the system was still bonded to the original concrete substrate. What we found is that our Rock Block primer achieved far greater penetration and much higher pull numbers than one of the leading brands. You can see here on the block the force taken to remove the coating system from the concrete substrate. And what you'll notice on the back of all three of the pulls done with the Rock Block primer, you'll see that there's a concrete section pulled out. On one of the leading brands, you'll see that there's nothing pulled out. What does that mean to you? What that means is that when this product is being applied, our system with a re-engineered resin side backbone is allowed to penetrate extremely deep into the substrate and grab on to those capillaries and voids to fill, harden, and then make itself available to the next top coats coming on to complete a system. One of the leading brands, you'll see, failed to get good bond to the concrete. Once the moisture came back up through the substrate, it attacked the bond line between the concrete and the primer. These primers are typically engineered to resist a high alkaline condition. One look at this block and you'll know that our system not only defeated the high alkaline condition, but forced the reaction to take place deeper in the concrete than at the bond line. On this brand, we can see that the interface was weakened to the point that when a pull test was done, the weakest plane was that between the primer and the substrate. What does that mean to you? What that means to you is when you properly prepare the substrate and put the product down following the RockTread technical data sheet, you are going to get unmatched bond strength and resistance to blisters forming in your floor applications. If you'd like more information on the Rock Block primer and our full line of wall, floor, and specialty coatings, visit RockTread at www.rocktread.com.